Aquila 70 Luxury Power Catamaran is different from all the other Aquilas. It's a step above from our production-based yachts. The 70 was developed in a period of about 2 years. Leading up to that development was the onset of a consumer survey. So listening to our consumers, what was very important to them was the aesthetics and the ability to move quickly. Making sure that she had sleek lines. She had a very pretty profile from side view, as well as from the stern and from the bows. All of that information has been taken back and actually put into practice. The extensive balance that you feel when you walk onto this boat. The initial feeling that you get is this is a very contemporary Euro-style boat. Sleek lines, very sexy in the water. Expansive walkways from your aft cockpit to the foredeck. Once you step inside, that's when the true luxurious feel of this boat really comes alive. Personally, I've never been on another yacht or power catamaran that has this feeling. You have enormous tempered glass windows running along both hulls all the way across the bow, so you bring everything from the outside inside. Just sitting here, everything is perfectly well balanced from your height of your eyes being able to see out into the water and into the distance. No matter where you look, fore, aft, you've got this incredible view when you come on. Everything about it is just very luxurious. This is a semi-custom yacht. Everything about this yacht is on the upper end of the scale. So whether it's your appliances, we have full-size kitchen appliances, we have oversized displays. I often refer to this yacht as a smart yacht. So we have redundant systems, we have two 22 kilowatt generators, touch faucets, we've got touch ovens, we've got a sensor-based induction cooktop so that it's not fixed to a specific placing on the cooktop. It'll actually sense where your pot is placed. Everything about this boat has been looked at in very fine detail. So we have leather-wrapped dashboards, we have a heavy use of LP wood with LP varnish. All of our furnishings in here are by Natuzzi, an Italian designer. As you see this yacht right now, it is the way that it comes with the furnishings. The Moby Dick line from Natuzzi behind me, the couch, the framing for it is in the shape of a whale tail. So everything about this yacht is very different from and a step above from where our other production-based boats are. And there's a very specific reason for that. We want everyone to see where Aquila is and where Aquila is going. But most importantly is the segmentation of our production-based boats and then going to a semi-custom. So the Aquila 70 Luxury Power Catamaran is still a catamaran, first and foremost. I would call it the eagle or the king of the Aquila range. So the hull design on the 70 is very slick, it's very smooth. What that correlates to is improved efficiency and speed through the water. To compare the Aquila Power Catamaran to a traditional monohull yacht, number one, your space. You can sit in the aft cockpit or in the dining area as we have set up here where I'm sitting. Or you can relax behind me in the TV area and have a conversation with the chef or a loved one cooking dinner for you. This feels like home. I think that, for me, is the biggest takeaway about this yacht. You step on, it's no longer a boat. It is a yacht. This is a true yacht from Aquila, and that really, really resonates throughout this boat. Everything is just exceptionally well balanced on this boat, and something you should really look forward to seeing when you come and visit Aquila.